Witness to the legendary. Yeah. She whipping my ride, counting the ones taking our pictures.
What's up, America? We're back. We was gone for a minute. My mom was using it, but you know, it's back, and it's time for the oil change. It just got cold down here. Spider in the car, welcome to Texas. But yeah, it just got cold down here. And my rear main seal is leaking. I think we've went over this. So I got some rear main seal repair. We went from 5-way 30. I got 10-way 30 oil now. I'm not going to use the STP, though I have one. I'm going to use the Napa, I want to say premium filter. And we're just going to see how it works. You know, thicker oil and the repair, you know, maybe it works. If it doesn't, you know, I just have to get the rear main seal done sooner than I wanted to. So let's get into it. Let's give it a cranker. Guess who's back?
Oh, hell.
Da 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 bang!
Hit me up on Facebook. So I'm doing face for $5.
Facebook. Ain't much to show. This is an oil change. You know, it looks like it stopped. So
Back to get under there.
it's an oil change.
Next video, we'll be doing my oil change.
Oil changes. Do
Get the video. $5 face.
All right, you see here, I have this coolant leak right here, but it's coming from right
Here.
Where am I? Where is it? There. Well, this whole thing really, it's an oil filter adapter plate, and it's leaking coolant. I've been know I needed one. You know, so fuck Marvin. It's like I thought. Hopefully it just don't get bad, because if it gets bad, I got to drain the coolant and. Anyways, it's been about a week, so I thought I would like test drive it. The stop leak might have worked, because when I leave it outside overnight, you know, just park it overnight, I would wake up and I'd back out for work and I'd see like a puddle of oil. I know exactly where it's coming from. You can see it dripping. And over like the last, it's been a week and a half, it started dripping less. And I looked under this morning, I don't see any oil at all. But I'm gonna keep checking. I always keep checking just in case, you know. It accepted the 10-way 30, you know. Everything is running fine, except for my bumper, you know, but that's a different video. We're gonna get into that. So today we're gonna put this bumper back on. Yeah, that's really about it. We're gonna put this bumper back on. I'm going to the gym.
It's a lighter slot, dog. Yeah. Champagne files.